On this next clip, still using the nap position, I want to work a bit the top leg position, okay? How you can accomplish more, okay? So here I have Johnny here. Actually, I'm going to start from this way. Can you stay over there? Okay, so the three areas that you hit with your top leg, it's the waist, the chest, and the armpit, okay? So you're gonna do a little drill here, okay? The heavier the guy is, the higher you have to move your leg in order to compensate and make sure that the leverage works. So here, let's say I'm in the nap position right here, and hip is number one, okay? We were able to succeed earlier with the hip, and you can actually go deeper with your knee if you're gonna stiff your leg. Because your goal is to grind. You wanna grind the shin against the side of the hip, like right here. You see that? Go back again. Now he spreads the legs out to stay a little stronger. So when I feel the leg is not working, I cannot go that way, I go back with my knee to the outside of the gut, move my hip back, now I'm gonna hit the rib. You see that? And the rib, look, I lift him, the rib, and then I finish with the kick. Okay, that's the second drill that I do. Let's change directions. So I'm in the nap position. Later we're gonna learn how to lead to that position. So if you have the waist, you're gonna stiff, but here's really heavy. So I move my hip back and I extend my leg so I can get higher on the rib, okay? And now here I still do that squeeze, okay, over here, so I can uppercut him, and I lift him with the knee on the hip, and sometimes it turns to a sweep or a hook flip, but it's really strong. Okay, go back again. Sometimes though, the guy moves his leg back and he leans forward. Scoot your knees back. Keep your knees forward. Yes. So I can rescue the waist. No, I can get. So you still move back, and now you put your leg under the armpit. So your shoulder pull. You see, my knee kind of catches his shoulder, and still can transfer his weight off his legs to his upper body. So let's kind of go again. When he's upright with the legs narrow, okay? Yeah, legs narrow here. So here, it's easy. I have the knee on the pocket waistline, okay? I usually don't like to go beyond the midline, okay? But sometimes if you do, you're gonna have to crunch, and as you squeeze your legs, you're gonna stiff the other. So you rotate the hip, still do the uppercut to make sure that the guy's out. Legs are wider, and I feel that first doesn't work. Move your head and your hip back, relax your top leg, now put on the rib. Same procedure with the crunch. Crunch, knee kicks the rib, then you finish. Go back again. The guy moves back. Over here, you go, now you go under the shoulder, look. Same thing, I still have that. And then from here, I lift that shoulder and finish the job.